Now we'll come to our topic. Okay, this constitution. This constitution. Okay, so first the aspect what we needs to find here is how this constitution formed. How this constitution of India formed. Actually, what was the thing? Our country was under the rule of colonial rule. You can say our country was under the colonial rule, and the colony was of British empires. So how we got the chance for making a colony, how we got the chance for making our constitution. Okay, so how we did we got the chance. So these are the things. Now if in brief I want to suggest how we formulated the law. See, before 1947, India was colony of British Empire. This all you are knowing this. So there are certain important, or we can say significant aspects that were available during British rule. See, they formulated a law called as Government of India Act 1935. Government of India Act 1935. See, we can say Government of India 1935 is actually shadow of Indian Constitution. The major articles and major proceedings that exist in today's constitution also is basically driven from 1935. See, there were different commissions that used to come India from the Britishers, and also British Empire and the British rulers has given the chance for the Indian leaders to participate in this formulation. So hence both Indians plus foreigners, these Britishers combiningly, they formed a set of some laws, so that are still existing in today's Indian Constitution. Therefore we are saying this is called as shadow. So this plus this was there, this was actually there, plus reference of different countries constitution. Like we have 12 to 13, the in 1946, actually in 1946 there was a cabinet commission 1946. This cabinet commission was there. This means British government asked cabinet commission to visit India. Cabinet commission was comprises of 2-3 Britishers. So what they came India, and what they suggested a constitution to be built for Indians separately. Okay, so they initiated this. So under his commission, they are generally this question asked in the exams of like PSCs and all. They ask ki when the cabinet commission came India and what was its purpose. So purpose was to make our constitution. Okay, so this is there. So reference of different countries. What is this reference of different countries? See, we have our Indian delegates like Bhimrao Ambedkar was there, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, J.B. Kripalani. These were the top Indian strugglers. These were the top Indian leaders that was existing there, and they were good, knowledgeable person. They had excellent knowledge. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is called the father of Indian Constitution, he was he was actually an advocate. So the delegates of this, the group of these people went to different countries. Like they had gone to USA, some have gone to Ireland, okay, then Britain, Okay, like this Germany and all the different places, Ireland, they are the different examples, means of the countries where they visited, and they have seen how the constitution, their constitution having. So we have taken the reference, like we have taken the reference of, you can say, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights we have taken from USA. Fundamental duties are there. Then your DPSP is there. Directive principles of state policies. This is there. Then you can say your power of president. Power of president. They have taken from different sources, like emergency power is there. So these are the things that are taken from these different countries. So we have formulated a list that yes, USA is having unique nature of fundamental rights. Fundamental duties we have taken from different. Constitutional Amendment Act is there. The changes that we require in the constitution is called as amendment. So amendment we have taken from different sources. So they were these set of different delegates, this Ambedkar, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These are very entrepreneurs, these are very intelligent guys, and they actually know that after 60 years, after 70 years, there should be some change. There should be some change in our Indian constitution. So therefore they have implemented a system of Constitution Amendment Act. So they were aware that after 100 years, 120 years, 200 years, the basic framework of the constitution should be based on this system. So these are the things that are there in our constitution. So you can see this one is your Government of India Act 1935, and second is your reference of different countries' constitution. This is all there in our constitution, what we are combining. So we'll have a look of our subsequent topics and in other videos. So this is all for now. Okay, thanks.